it's Marie from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do a project share with you. This is just a mini wraparound journal that I made, fabric journal. And it's got magnets on the cover on the inside. They're not super strong, so I mean, they're holding it closed, but I put this around it anyway. I have a doily on the side, and this is one of Butterbee Scraps doilies. And I'll have it listed below if you would like to go get yourself some of these. It's so pretty, look. I love this. And then I put some florals here and did some layering with some vintage lace. And inside is this really, really beautiful silk fabric. And I just have a tuck spot here. And I'm going to do a quick flip through. Some note cards, an envelope here with another note card in it. There's some ledger pages, designer pages, coffee dye paper, lots of Tim Holtz ephemera. Some thin craft sheets, if I can get this. I cut it with a paper cutter and it's like all even and uniform. This is mixed media paper and I think I used it all. I forgot where I even got it, but I really want to get some more. Sorry. And then some more pages. And then there is a photo sleeve here. I just put some Tim Holtz ephemera in there. And then a Tim Holtz note card underneath. Some parchment paper, and that's the back. Oh, I love that. So pretty. Oh, and there is a little pocket here. Like a little tiny pocket right here. And so yeah, the magnets do hold it closed. I think it looks really good with this on there. So, I'll have this listed in my Etsy shop. I also have a link for Butterbee Scraps down below, and if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.